dito dahil is 5:50 in the morning. Kailangan nang pumasok yung asawa ko dahil naghintay talaga na yun. Thank you for your support, love. Sis, kagwapo eh. I want to, ano, di ba? Do something. Do something. You want to sleep more? Katulgon man, naantok pa man. Ito yung asawa ko dahil, naantok pa ba? Yun na, sigo na. Stay safe.
Yeah.
Yay, looking handsome lagi ka, love. Mo handsome, love. You're looking handsome. Ay. Stay safe, my love. Yeah, I will go out. I will close the door. Okay. Okay, handsome. Kukunin pa daw niya yung bag niya, day. I-ready niya yung mga gamit niya, day ba? And then, lalabas ako kasi nga, i-close ko yung door ng garage, day. Yung asawa ko, day ba, sinusuportaan niya talaga ako sa aking pag-video sa aming daily life dito sa America. So, ngayon, day, sabi ng anak ko, mama, yung may ano ba, nag-aral. Ma, may school ngayon. Na-check ko na sa page, may school sila dahil wala namang pinopost. Kasi ipopost yan sa page nila kung walang school. So, kayon dahil may kape na talaga ako dahil. Ito na yung routine natin dahil. Kailangan talaga magkape natin morning. I mean, para sa akin dahil kailangan ko ng kape. Every morning, hindi pwede na walang kape. Sarap deh. Mga inday, labas na tayo. Kasi yung asawa ko din nagpaandar na ng sasakyan niya. Palabas na yan deh. Okay. Kalamig guys. Sobrang lamig. May blanket pa talaga ako. Sobrang lamig. Ay, laban America day. Nandiyan na yung asawa ko day. Nagre-ready na. Yung snow day, hindi talaga matunaw-tunaw yung snow. Kasi nga still sobrang lamig day. Ay, nako. Love you too. Bye-bye. Stay safe, love. Okay. Agroy. I-shut daw yung door, day. Ayan, nakashut na yung door. Pasok na tayo, mga inday. Pasok na tayo. Naglisod ang agi, day. Kay nagkuan mang na ay, ano ba? Pangalan ani, day? Blanket ba? Tugnaw din siya, day. Ngayon, ano bang oras na? It's, mamaya na i-wake up ko yung anak ko na mag-school day kasi nga ang oras dito is tingnan natin sa cellphone day 5:57. So i-wake up ko yung anak ko, gigisingin ko is like 6 o'clock day yung anak ko kasi nga hindi ko na kailangan magluto day kasi ganyan ako day, basta may leftover yan yung food sa morning. Iwan ko day, ganyan ba kayo day? Kung ano yung leftover no pagka-dinner natin, yan din yung breakfast day. Mga inday, ito yung ulam namin kagabi, mga inday. Filipino food, bihon. Day, matagal na din ako day na hindi ako nakakain ng Filipino food, mga inday. Kaya nagluto talaga ako kagabi day. Nag-crave ko day ba? Ay, ginoo ko. Sobrang saya ko day. So ngayon day, kukuha ako ng pagkain or kukuha ako ng pansit. Ilagay ko sa plato and then papainitin ko day. Kasi ito yung, as what I said, breakfast ng anak ko. And then, ibalik natin sa ref pagkatapos. And then, yung anak ko, basta breakfast dahil hindi yan masyadong kumakain. So, kaunti lang yung ating ilagay dahil. Tama na po dahil. Hindi talaga siya kumakain ng ano ba, madami day ba, basta breakfast. So ngayon ilalagay ko ito sa ano day. Ilagay ko sa what we call that dito sa oven ba. Lagay ko sa oven. "30 minutes. Nandiyan na din. You wake up man early. Oy, ang bata namin. Oy, hakoy. It's still 6 o'clock, 6:25 in the morning. Still dark in outside. Ang bata namin. Ang bata ni mama. Kalami kumutong gaboy. Mga ate, mga ate. Yung bata natin, ate. Gising na yung bata natin. Tingnan niyo yung buhok, mga inday. Gising yung bata. Hi sa mga ate. Hi. Hi, mga ate at kuya ko. What you calling? Who you calling? Kuya Prince is in the bathroom. Yeah, you say Kuya Achie, God bless you. Tumatawa talaga. Tinatawag niya yung kuya niya, day. Kuya, make it hurry, kuya. Time is running. Sina? Tinatawag yung kuya niya. Ang patuta ng patuti ang lablab ni mama. Na. Ang aga gumising ni Bibi Kano. Alam niyo ba mga inday, nagising ito si Bibi Kano kaninang mga 2:30 in the morning, nagising day. And then, buti na lang, bumalik din siya ng tulog day. Sobrang aga day.
Tugnaw ikaw?
Hello, Grandma. Good morning. Oh, Grandpa, Grandpa is there. Oh, shish. Uy, karon pa nagmata, ma. Karon pa nagmata. Banto kang na, yan mo.
Sakit na, be.
Nanonood yung bata. Ay, shush. Nanonood yung bata natin, day. Nang, itong vlogger, day, ba, sa YouTube din, day. Nanonood siya kasi may baby din. Gusto kasi ni Bibi Kano na may baby. Iwan ko, na-entertain siya, day, kapag may baby, day. Yeah. Sis. Yung kuya niya nandyan, nag-ready na. Yan, that is. Sa pawi, ha? Suotin mo yung second jacket kasi sobrang lamig ngayon sa labas. Dahil papasok na yung anak ko, dahil. Bugnaw na. Papasok na yung anak ko, dahil. 7:15 na. So sabi niya, siya lang daw pupunta, dahil. Sa bus stop, dahil. Mag-amping ka, ha, mag-ingat ka kasi slippery yung ice. Dahan-dahan ka maglakad. Madilim pa talaga, day. Love you, nak. Amping. May rabbit, mga inday, nakita ko. Napakabilis niyang tumakbo. Hindi niyo makita kasi nga madilim pa dito, mga inday. Hindi niyo pa talaga makikita. I hope mapakita ko sa inyo, mga inday, pero madilim pa talaga. Yan na yung bus ng anak ko, day. Pinuntahan ko kasi, day, kasi hindi ko siya makita, day, ba? Kaya pinuntahan ko siya dito, day. Sobrang ginaw pa naman. Nakapasok na yung anak ko, day. Yung mga sasakyan nakahinto talaga. Pasok na tayo. Sobrang lamig, mga inday. Hindi ko na mapifeel yung mukha ko, day. So, something 7:20 na ang mga inday, pero madilim pa rin sa amin dito. Sobrang lamig, mga inday. Oh my god, kasi lalo siyang lumalamig kasi nga sa hangin. Hangin day. So, more mafe-feel mo talaga yung lamig. Na put your shorts. Come here now. Come here. Dali. Tanawa day. Tanawa day. Tinatakbuhan niya talaga ako day. Come here. We're gonna put your shirt. Tanawa day. Oh. Sumasagot pa talaga day. Oh, no daw day. Sumasagot pa talaga si Bibi Kanu. Come here na mama. We're gonna put your shorts. Dali mama. Oh, sige. Dali na. Tumatak mo pa talaga day. We need to put your shorts. Oh, this one. Ayaw niya talaga magpalagay ng short day. Wa na jud day. Ayaw niya talaga. Tanaw na pampers. Tumaktakbo na naman. Ay, ganyan akong anak nga. Kuan day eh. Sobrang kulit Bibi Kanu day. Tanan nga oh. Na. Oh. Anong nangyari yan sa batang yan oh? Andun na sa likod oh. Come here, I will put your shorts na ba? It's cold. Nya karon. It's cold. You have no pajama. Ya akong anak jud day ba kulit kay ba. I'm going to put your shorts now. Now Dali na. Come here now. Uy, ginuo ko niya kung anak jud day. Wa jud day. Oh, tinatakbo-takbuhan niya lang ako day. Dali, I'm going to put your short. Come here, mama. Dali. Wa jud ta ani. Kumakain si Bibi Kanu ng lunch mga inday. And then gusto niya day, siya yung maghawak sa drinks niya day. Sige. Hi, Ate Bi. Gusto niya talaga siya lang yung maghawak day. Na, yun nga. Natapon na. Wa na day. Natapon na day. Basa na yung t-shirt niya. Paano, magpapalit na naman ito day. Sige. Magpapalit na naman itong ano. Ay, Ginoo ko. Ning gahig ulo. Ning kulit nga bata. See, you gonna be wet again. You gonna change your clothes again. Shilton. Anak. Ay, Ginoo ko na akong anak na eh. Dara. It's a first. Okay. Ang anak na ko, day ba? Nakain na. That's enough. Hindi na akong anak na ko, day. Sige, wa na! Hurot na, Wa na, jud, day. Natapon na lahat, day. That's your fault. I said, Mama who the one hold. And now, it's empty now. It's nothing. And your shirt is wet. Diba? I told you, Mama will hold. But you don't listen. Nakabihis na yung bata natin, day. Pangalawang, na to, day. Damit, day. Ay, Ginoo kong bata ako. Bata nga kulit. Yeah, that's right, anak. Ay, Ginoo ko ni. Sabi ko sa kanya kanina, ako yung hahawak. And then sabi niya, gusto niya talaga siya yung maghawak. Yeah. Yun, anong nangyari, day? Wala. Basa lahat. Yung short niya, yung long pants niya, basa. Yung t-shirt niya, basa. Wala. Kaya, nagpalit ng panibagong damit. Another labahin ni Mama. Yung bata natin na kulit. Bitaw. Kulit ka nga bata, ha? Kuya. Hello, Kuya. Who is that, Kuya? Kuya? Hello, Kuya. Nagpakarga ng bata natin din. Naghihintay na kargahin, day. Sa wakas, si Kuya bumaba din dito sa baba. Di ba? Ay, yung bata. Sobrang saya niya, day. Bumaba yung Kuya niya, day. What? You are eating na? Kanem, kano na? Burger.
Dili ka na.
Burger yung kakainin ng asawa. Anak ko, day. Galing sa ano. And then ito yung bata natin makulit. Nagpakarga yung kulit natin na bata, day. Wala, day. Tapos na niya maligo si baby kano day, pinaliguan ko na day. And then, ako nagligo ako kagabi na. Ay, naligo pala ako kagabi day.
Whoa!
Shh! What? Stop! Oh, your saliva is all over the face of Kuya. Pa. What you said? Ah, Papa? You say Papa? Sa yung mata. Si Kuya, magkaon na si Kuya, be. Wala pang kain si Kuya. Kakain si Kuya. Come here na. Dali na. Dali na. Agoy. Agoy. Ano, umiiyak. Ano, na. Tingnan nyo dahil. Ano? Agoy, kawawa. Ay, dramang bata. Oy. Kuya. Nag-ilak na. Agoy. Come here na lang. Mama na lang, be. Mama na lang, eh. Kuya will eat. Manggut si Kuya, anak. Kuya need to eat. Kuya is hungry. Yeah? Are you sleepy now? Yeah, that's right. Papa. You say Papa? You say Mama? Mama. Patay. Uy, Mama ba? Mama? Magawa jud ta ani day. Wa na. Mama. Mama, how about Mama? Mama. Wa jud ta ani day. Mama day. Papa ra day. Bibi kano day. Na nakarating na yung kuya niya day, galing sa school day. Sabi ng anak ko day, may friend daw siya, ano nak? Hindi ba masyado makapagsalita?
Friend?
Unsa man, classmate lang imo? Classmate niya day ba na hindi daw masyado nakapagsalita day. Ngayon day, wa na day. Nagisungog na siyang kuya day. Anak, bibihisan ko na yan si Bibi Kano, si Asher yung manghod. Sis, drama naman na, ay. Hindi niya gusto, nak. Hindi niya gusto, tama na kuya. Kuya, tama na kuya. Tama na. Pero kay bibihisan ko na yan kasi ano kami, may pupuntahan kami. May pupuntahan tayo mga inday. Bibihisan ko si Bibi Kano. Come here, anak. Kasi yung isa, lipay kayo. Ang bubuyan na siyang kuya, oh. Sobrang saya niya, day, na pinakawalan na siya ng kuya niya, day. Nandiyan yung kuya niya. At ito yung bata natin, yung books niya, sobrang kalat. Kalat na kalat. Yan, magbihis na tayo, anak, Asher. Ina. Bihis na tayo. Huy. Wa na. Sige. Nandito na yung jusawa ko, day. Ano, i-open natin yung garage, day. Hindi tumawag sa akin. Hindi tumawag yung asawa ko sa akin, day. Sad ako tuloy. Oh, nandiyan na, day, oh. Yung jusawa natin. Why you don't call me? Na. Hindi niya talaga ako tinatawagan, day. I think my date itong asawa ko. That's mom. Tumatawag si mom. Yung mom. Tumatawag yung biyanan ko, day. Kaya pala, day. Nag-usap silang dalawa, day. Mga inday, tingnan nyo mga inday, yung aming bahay, day, nag-ice na, day. Uy, ginoo ko, day, nag-ice na talaga, day, hanggang dito sa gilid, day. Tingnan nyo yung ice, hanggang baba. Ice. Hanggang doon, day, sa dulo, day. Ice na talaga, day. Uy, sobrang lamig, mga inday. Nagyayelo na kami dito sa Jamaica, day. Oh my God. Yung asawa ko wala pa talaga, dahil hinihintay ko na pumasok yung asawa ko, mga inday.
Oh, I was on the phone with Mama the whole time.
Okay.
Coming home. You know how mamas are.
Yeah. How's Mama?
It's my T-Rex arms.
Like in ano? Like in the video that you was watching. There is. Ay, ginoo ko. Love you.
Well, you know, I can hold you for a long time until you want to escape. Yeah.
I cannot breathe.
No, you
I'm
stay.
done.
No, you stay. No, you stay.
I'm done, done enough. How's Mama?
She's good.
Oh, that's
Andrew's
good.
car's broke.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, that's the reason.
It runs, but the exhaust fell off.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Really need to fix.
I think she's getting it fixed tomorrow.
Ah, okay, that's good.
It drives, but it's loud.
Oh, that's not nice. Kaya yun pala, Day, hindi nakatrabaho yung kapatid ng asawa ko, Day, kasi nasira yung sasakyan. Pero bukas daw, ayusin daw bukas mga Inday. Bibihisan ko na talaga si Bibi Kano, Day. Kanina hindi siya nagpabihis kanina, Day. So ngayon bibihisan ko na, Day. Hi! Tapos na nagbihis yung bata natin. Nandito na yung papa, nakahawak na. Shush. Ang dagay.
You're gonna spit on me.
Hi!
Papa love you.
Papa love you. Ay, shush. Tara, let's go na. Sige na, go na. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, kadali lang, lab. Hold on, lab. I need to.
Yeah, I have to, so you can put him in.
Yeah, I need
You're
to
the
put.
small one. You gotta climb in that back seat. I can't get in there. I mean, literally, I can't.
How I can tolerate that? Is that insult or what?
Oh.
No?
Yeah.
It's a gift. It's a gift daw mga Inday, yung height ko. Lagay tayo ng sapatos mga Inday. Let's go mga Inday. Larga na tayo. Ay, yung weather natin, Day. Wak na dyan yung weather nato, Day. Tugnaw yung weather nato, Day. Oh.
Oh, you come on. We're cold.
Yeah, we're cold. Let's go na. Cold na. Give me Asher. Lagay ko kayo dyan, Day. Ay, Day, kunin ko si Bibi Kano.
Here you go, baby Kano.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, you say hi mga ate. Oh. Hi mga ate. Yeah, that's right. Hey.
Dad sounds
What's that sound?
like this. It goes.
Okay.
Those are dad sounds, and then you get back and you go. Oh.
I understand that.
Yeah.
Yun daw ang sound ng asawa ko, Day. Kasi nga, ay sobrang baba yung sasakyan, di ba, Day? Kaya yun, Day, may asawa ko, Day, mataas. So, nahihirap. Medyo mahirap siya, Day. We need to put this one, Asher. Yeah, that's right, anak. Okay. Okay, you are good now. Ready na yung bata natin, Day. Hi, bye-bye. Hi, Ate B. Hi, Ate. Shush, what are you looking there, anak? Tara, let's go na tayo. Tara na, Day. Yay.
Bought 2 cans of oil this morning.
Oh,
Don't need it yet.
you just in case.
Well, you gotta keep it in the car because
Yeah, that's right.
you do end up needing it.
Yeah. That's right. So let's go na mga Inday ko.
You can fix it when we give the car to him.
Yeah, that's right.
Or you can just do what I do.
Oh yeah, but I think for the meantime, you know, while searching, well, I mean, Koji need to go to school first.
Why are you Filipino and you're dressed out here like you're Russian or something?
What Russian?
Russian, like you're used to the cold. You only need a small jacket.
I don't know. I just want
I
to
mean,
use.
even a Russian in this weather is wearing a big fur coat.
Really? Why? I don't know. I just want this one. Yay.
Mama forgets she's Filipino, Asher. You don't remember?
I forget.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's right.
I think I'm starting used to it, the cold weather, but at the same time, hopefully in the future, God's will, we will go back in the Philippines, die.
Yeah, see, the cold weather ain't got you sick yet.
No.
Told you, you don't get sick because of cold. It's just, that's a wise tale that people still believe. It's like crazy to me. You get sick from coming across viruses.
Kasi sabi ng asawa ko, Day, hindi pa ba daw ako nagkasakit sa sobrang lamig dito. And then sabi ko, super, wala pa naman lab. Wala akong upo, sipon, ay ganyan ba? Lagnat, wala pa naman. I hope wala. Inday, tingnan nyo yung mineral water, Day. Nilagay lang namin dito sa sasakyan, Day. Wa na, Day, may ice na yung loob, Day. So yung sasakyan, Day, parang freezer. It's like a freezer.
That's right, love. That's why people in Alaska don't even need a refrigerator or freezer.
Yeah, that's right.
Because even in the summertime, you just dig a hole in the ground and go below the permafrost, and the permafrost
There you
never
go.
goes away. It's a frozen layer of ground, never goes away, so all year long. That
Okay.
guy I was watching, the Asian guy
Okay.
that's living in,
Alaska.
no, he's living in Siberia.
Uy,
All
Siberia
by-
is a
yeah.
cold weather?
Oh, it's the coldest, love. It's negative 94
Oh
Fahrenheit.
my God.
I was watching.
That's super
But
cold,
I
love.
liked him. He was cool.
Oh.
He's just out there all alone. His family died.
Oh,
And one day he just decided.
Filipino?
He's Asian.
Asian?
I
Somewhere
don't,
Asian.
I don't
Okay.
know exactly what his nationality is, but he's definitely
Okay.
Asian.
Okay.
But he just kind of walked away from the village that he lived in and went out on his own, and that was it. Built himself a little cheap cabin and cellophane on the windows and no electricity, but the people got money together from the viewers and stuff and got him a solar panel. They got him real windows, and then the guys that came to drop him off installed them, put them in the house for him. I like that.
Go. That is super cold. Uy, negative. Oh my God.
Oh, there's a fast one.
What? This one?
That Audi.
The car
black
passing by?
Yeah, the black car.
Uy.
That was chopped and lowered to the ground. We put up a good fight.
Sure.
We're gonna be at the store in a minute. Then you can get out and all you want.
Day, tingnan mo, Day, oh, nasusunog yung bahay, Day. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa talaga fixed, Day, oh.
Inspector just going da.
Da.
Yeah, Daddy loves you.
That's right. Pa daw, pa.
Ah.
Mm.
Ah. Ba. Ba.
Uy.
Are you guys sharing? He's just gonna swing wide.
Yeah, that's right. Nandito na tayo sa parking lot, mga Inday.
Ah.
Si Didi Kano, Day, palaging tinatawag yung papa niya, Day. Pa.
Yeah. It's because I love you. Yeah, I love you so much. Da.
Yay. Ashir. Wait. Oh, pizza. Ano, what is that, love?
It's a flatbread pizza.
Ah, okay.
They got different kinds. That one down there is probably you. It's sausage.
Sausage.
This one looks like chicken.
Ah,
Garden vegetables, slow. Seems to be vegetables.
ako na ko ng tubig day. Just one. Boy. Water. Bata natin. Ha?
I hate that I gotta put that in first.
Ah, yeah. Why you put that first? Okay. Gi, smile na. Kik. Are you sure? Yes. What are you doing? Huh? Let's go. Yeah, that's right. Love, you gonna buy a fabric conditioner, love? Yes or no? Yeah, we don't have that one anymore. Yeah, we are. It's okay. Just ano? Just the, what is that? Just the soap ba? Yung ano day, $17. Mga inday, kukunin natin yung gatas ko day. Naubusan ako ng gatas day. Ito day, 2%. December 31 yung expiration, so okay pa to day. Nandyan yung isawa natin. Yay! Where I put this one, love? Here? Okay. Let's go. And ay kuha tayo ng conditioner dahil malapit na kasi ito yung maubos dahil ba. So kuha tayo ng conditioner. Saan dito? Where is the dab? Dab. There is no dab. I think they don't have dab, love. Ah, here. Shampoo, daily moisturizer. Ah, here. This is shampoo. Ah, here, this one. Conditioner. Yeah? What do you want? That one. Okay. This is the Pantene. It's $10.99. So that is the one. Okay. Let's go. Bata. Mga inday, labas na tayo guys. Tapos na kami mga inday. Ilagay natin yung ito dahil sobrang lamig talaga dito sa labas dahil yung bata natin ay bata, super lamig mga inday, super let's go. My love. Super cold. Super cold. Oh, I wish I have more jacket.
No, you're the super lady. Oh, I can do this.
No,
I'm used to
I
it.
am wrong.
I'm adjusting.
Nay, I am super wrong. Ay, ginoo ko, day. Kukunin na natin si Bibi Kano, day. Nandito na sa sasakyan, day. Day ko na si Bibi Kano, mga indays. Ay, super cold, anak. Ay, sis! Nagpa-cute pa din kahit sobrang lamig. Yeah, pasok na. Pasok na tayo, mga inday. Nasaan yung asawa ko, day? Yung asawa ko, nandito, pabalik na yung asawa ko, day. Sobrang lamig, day. Akong kamay. Yung kamay ko, day. Masakit na yung kamay ko, day. Super cold. Start the car, please.
Why, what's the problem, Nola?
It's super cold.
Oh, maybe you got this one. You're adjusted.
I'm adjusted, but still I can feel the cold.
Boy, these pork rinds smell like the pig.
I don't want that. It's crazy. I told you it's a pig. Chicharon. It said pork. Oh, see? It's a pig.
The skin.
Yeah, that's why I don't like pig. I don't want pork. So
That's right, Asher.
yeah, that's right, Nanak. Wait, I don't want that. I cannot eat. My bana is a shellfish bana.
Why am I being selfish?
Because you buy a pig, you buy pork that I cannot eat. I'm just joking. Do you think Asher is pooping? It smells poop? I smell something. I think it's the this one, love.
Yeah.
What you eat?
Yeah.
Oh my God, let's go na mga
Shit's like
inday.
cheese or something.
Yeah, it's something. There is a Christmas decoration in her car. A circle one. That's nice.
Have a holly jolly Christmas.
Yeah, that's right. Christmas. That's right. Mga inday, nandito na tayo. Hi! Kukunin na natin si Bibi Kano. Mga inday.
You'd be so disappointed if we moved up there?
My love?
You'd be so disappointed if we moved up there? You'd be like, oh.
Yeah, that's right. I think. Okay. Come here na. Yay! We are home, mga ate at kuya. Finally, we are home. Okay. Nakalisod.
They sell plows for our tractor.
My love?
I said they sell plows for our tractor.
Ah,
Lawnmower.
okay.
Where you can put a plow on the front of the lawnmower.
Ah, do you have there?
Yeah, they have those.
Oh, that's nice.
Right, and then you just use that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. That's easier. Here you go. Nandito na yung bata natin dahil. We're gonna go
Paid
inside.
for a new tire and it's losing air.
Yeah, that's right. Sobrang ginaw dahil. Pasok na tayo. Let's go. Ay, no, kung ano, naglisod na tani sa... Kung ano, ipasok ko muna si Bibi Kano and then tutulungan ko yung asawa ko dahil. Mga inday, kakarating ng anak ko dahil galing sa work dahil. Alam nyo ba dahil, binigyan ng regalo yung anak ko dahil sa kanyang mga co-workers. Mga co-workers dong? Nag-ambagan sila?
No, it's
What?
manager.
Manager. Yung manager daw nila dahil ang nagbigay sa kating na yung nga dahil pang snow na ano dahil boots dahil. Kasi nga ang kapal ng yan yung sinusuot niya dahil na sapatos. Kasi ang kapal na ng snow dito sa amin dahil binigyan siya ng manager nila at ito pang isa dahil oh, binigyan siya ng regalo dahil pang snow talaga dahil. Hey! Kasi you are a good employee. Kasi dahil yung anak ko talaga dahil hardworking talaga yan dahil kaya ano, binibigyan siya ng mga ano ba, regalo. Basta ganyan, basta hardworking ka at tapat ka sa trabaho mo, bibigyan ka talaga.